Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. Today I am actually checking out of Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. I absolutely love this resort. It is one of my very favorite resorts. It even beats some of the deluxe resorts in my book. I stayed in room 3247 and I'm just going to take you in for a quick room tour so you can see what it's all about. Let's go. Okay, so I stayed in room 3247. I'm just gonna take this off the door once I check out. But this is building 3 of the South Quarter. So this is a standard room. I faced the parking lot, which is fine because there's no balconies or anything. And as you can tell by the beds, I have already stayed here. So just bear with me in that regard. But when you walk in immediately, you have 2 queen beds. They're all messed up, but next to the first bed, you do have a bit of space on the floor here for your luggage, which is where I put my suitcase. This is obviously just a lock off there. So there is another room connecting, and that room is the corner room. So turning around, we obviously have the door that I just came in. And like I said, the view, it is basically the hallway that you walk to get here and then the parking lot. So nothing special. Just across, we've got a table and 2 chairs. I'm in the mirror there, hello. And one of the cute things is that they pop, oh, I gotta wipe that up, but they pop some Mardi Gras beads on your desk for you on your table when you come in. I think they used to do it in the lobby, but I think with everyone coming to get beignets now, they're not handing it out to everybody that walks in here. So, turning around, we have our big vanity unit and the TV. This one is not a smart TV. It's standard cable channel with Walt Disney World Resort TV. So all 3 of these drawers do open up and they're quite deep, which I really like. Great for storage. I had a lot of food items in here and some bags of goodies. But then this one here is the mini fridge. So just open that up and it is truly mini. It fits, you know, some bottles of water, maybe a jug of milk or something like that, and then you can fit some smaller bits and cans or bottles on the side of the door here. On top of the vanity unit, you'll see my magic moment there. You've got a Cuisinart coffee maker, so it makes 2 cups at a time. You can make 1 cup, and they give you the little Joffrey's pods and the decaf pods as well as some tea, sugar, creamer, etc. And you've got an ice bucket as well. On both sides of this vanity unit, you have 2 electrical outlets and 2 USB cords, which is really nice. There's plenty of space for charging in this room. And then just next to the vanity, you've got my backpack, which does not come with the room, but you've got a shelf and a coat rack, which was really handy for storing stuff. Just there, you have the thermostat and then a bench to sit on, put your stuff on, what have you. I really liked this. The last place I stayed didn't have anything like a bench, and I felt like that was something that was lacking, so I liked having that. You've got a nightstand in the middle of the 2 beds, and again, the nightstand has 2 electrical outlets and 2 USB cords. You've got your remote, you've got your guide information and your resort TV, and then you just have a little pull-out drawer. Of course, it's got a Bible in it and some space underneath. These switches just on top of the vanity are for the overhead lights, and they have, it'll be hard to see, but they have really nice decor on them. The fleur-de-lis makes it look really on theme. So you've got the same light over the second bed, and then there's not a whole ton of space next to this bed, but there is an electrical outlet, and I'll just say that these beds have great storage space underneath. Mind the dirty floor, but there's lots of storage. It goes up to about my mid-calf, so any large size suitcases would fit there. And then I absolutely love the artwork here. This is the Bayou of New Orleans, and it reminds me a lot of the Pirates of the Caribbean attraction in Magic Kingdom. Moving on to the bathroom. I absolutely love this bathroom. This hotel has been refurbed recently, and you can tell there's a lot of space, and it's very up to date, but you've got the Jack and Jill sink, which I find very handy for storage, for utilization, anything like that. You've got some space underneath, and then I have used a lot of the towels here, but there will be more towels under there, and you've got your dryer, your hair dryer as well. And then on top, we also had an H2O lotion bottle, as well as the tissues and the soap. We've got one of those mirrors that I don't like if you've watched any of my room tours. Hello, it is a super mirror, so it will zoom in quite a bit, and it does light up as well. Here. There you go. And a towel rack just here, and 2 electrical outlets for a straightener, hair curler, hair dryer, anything like that. Just around the corner, you've got another towel rack. You've got your ironing board, your hangers and your rack, and then an extra pillow and blanket, as well as your safe here. So there's plenty of storage space if you want to hang things up. And then lastly, we'll just move into the bathroom. Now, like I said, I have stayed here already, so all my towels are in the tub, which is, I guess, where you're supposed to put them when you leave, but we've got toilet, bin, you get extra toilet paper and some racks. I will say this bathroom is very narrow. There's a lot of space for the tub, but the bathroom itself is quite narrow. When you shut the door, hello, you've got a full-length mirror there, which is great, but then yeah, when you go in, it's super, super narrow, so just keep that in mind. You do have a rack behind the door, and then you've got a big old shower head here. Again, some really nice molding here, some nice decor, and you've got your H2O bottles mounted onto the wall. You do also have like a little sitting area, so if you've got kids that you need to sit up, or if you need to pop your leg up here to shave or something like that, you've got a little bit of flexibility, and then 2 little soap bars just in the corner there. And then I do love the shower curtain. You've got some subtle Princess and the Frog themes here. You've got the frog with the crown on it. I just think it's really cute. So that is the extent of my Port Orleans French Quarter room tour. As I've said, this is one of my absolute favorite resorts. The thing that I love about it the most is that it's just so quiet. We're in one of the end buildings, we're in one of the end rooms in that building, so there's nobody around us, it's super quiet, and I have been loving it during my stay. So if you have watched this whole thing, thank you so much. Please let me know if you've stayed at Port Orleans, let me know if you stayed at French Quarter or Riverside, which one you prefer and why. And if you are staying here in the future, I hope you have a really great time. It is so great, I cannot recommend it enough. So until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you real soon. Bye.